How to limit who can view your like list. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can view your like list easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee app, and once you are here on For You page, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find settings. Click on it. Now click on privacy and click on who can view my like list. Now you have everyone following each other, which means friends, or only me. Let's make it private. Now you can choose whatever you want and limit who can watch your like list. For example, only me. Choose whatever you want, and once you are done, just go back and they're gonna save your option. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video was helpful to you.